Amazon Echo Plus, bought 17th Jan, without free bulb scheme, seller Cloudtail Private India Limited. Firstly, this is a 5-star 100% positive review of the Amazon Echo Plus. However, as all reviews will tell you what the Amazon Echo Plus does, so let me start with the most important things that it doesn't do. Amazon has not launched the Amazon Household feature in India. This means that Alexa is locked on only to your voice and your wife and kids might not be able to use it. It is not mentioned in the details anywhere and the advertisements show otherwise. They are working on a solution for India also, which might release anytime now. However, that being said, there is a workaround, jugaad, for this which I have discovered. You can log in to the Amazon.co UK site with your India Amazon credentials and add family members in the household feature there. Amazingly, after that, Alexa in India starts recognizing multiple voices. You can thank me for this discovery. It's working perfectly for me. Wife and kids are having a blast. Alexa cannot control the Amazon Fire Stick in India even though the feature is available across the world. Have chatted with the Amazon customer care and both of these features will be available soon. It would be fantastic to ask Alexa to play a particular movie etc. and have it play on a Fire Stick connected TV. Pure science fiction. Waiting on edge for this feature to be launched in India. Till last week Amazon could play individual songs and playlists from many sources, but you could not create your own personal playlists or add songs to a particular playlist. With the launch of Amazon Music, this problem has been solved. Amazon Music is included free in your Prime membership and you can simply log in and create as many playlists as you want on the website or using Alexa and simply ask Alexa to play that particular playlist according to your mood. It was really frustrating not having facility for personal playlist, as when I wanted to listen to 5 of my favorite songs, I would have to individually tell Alexa, one by one, to play the songs. Thank God this is resolved. Observations: Indianized accent can be sensed in Alexa's voice. Easily recognizes sentences with heavy Indian accents too. Glad Amazon took care of personalizing this aspect. The routines and schedules which you can create on the Alexa app are basic as of now. Example: if user says 4x, then say 4x and then do this, with options limited to news/smart home/weather. I would really like, if user says 4x, then do this and do this and do this etc. Longer routines should be configurable. This might come soon too but is currently limited. Certain instructions to Alexa need to be very specific and clear. Vague questions might elicit an "I don't know" or "I don't understand" response. Often rephrasing the question will get you the answer you were expecting. With new technologies you've got to be a bit patient. These niggles are totally acceptable to me as the fantabulous benefits and features totally outweigh these problems. Started home automation project with my bedroom first. I have configured one Philips Hue 10 watts B22 bulb, white and color, in my room right now. Installation was easy. Plugged in bulb. Asked Alexa to detect devices and bulb was discovered as Light 1. Asked Alexa to rename as Light. Started using directly without even opening the Philips Hue app yet, thanks to the inbuilt hub on the Echo Plus. Favorite commands with bulb: Alexa, greater than switch on light, greater than switch off light, greater than change color of light to 30, greater than increase brightness of light, greater than decrease brightness of light. Also in Alexa app have created routine where when I say Alexa, Good morning, then Alexa switches the light on, greets me with the phrase that I have set, and plays the news from my NDTV flash briefing. Have also tried scheduling light with Alexa. Simple command: Alexa, wake me up at 6:30. Alexa switches on light gradually at 6:30 with alarm. Can configure to start the day with a song too after it switches on light. Does everything else it promises. My verdict: if you're a gadgets freak, or crazy about home automation, a sci-fi fan, a show-off, a trendsetter in your group/family/area/office, any and all of the above, then don't think. Just get this now. It'll blow your mind. Next, in bedroom automation project, have ordered one 10-amp Wi-Fi smart wireless switch which works with Amazon Alexa to automate powering on another light, tube light, from the power source itself, rather than buying an expensive bulb. Have ordered one 16-amp Wi-Fi smart wireless switch which I will use to power on the air conditioner using voice command on Echo Plus. In process of buying Wi-Fi 3-in-1 smart plug power strip to power on TV/set-top box/Fire Stick etc. with Alexa. We'll update this review with more observations soon. Hope this review helps smile. It's really awesome. Sound quality is amazing. New upgradation of Alexa application included lot of things. Just to say, Alexa will do for you to remind, set alarm, music play, news, everything. Addition is the Smart Hub. I got that product 7 days before. Continues 7 days I am using it. You should go for it. Thanks Amazon. Amazon Echo Plus is the best thing that ever happened to the music world in these years. In fact, it is an evolved hybrid of music system and home automation with an integrated AI. Delivery: as promised by Amazon product finish, it looks good but a little color choice would have been much better. Packing: since I gave it as a birthday gift to my wife, therefore was a bit worried about the gift wrapping option. But Amazon did not disappoint me on that. About product: after doing a little research on 3 top smart music systems in the market viz Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomePod, I decided to zero down on Alexa as being a Prime member I already had the benefit of Prime Music etc. Moreover, the ease of accessibility and its AI is just tuned right to suit different accents and patterns that even little kids can give commands to make it play songs, or use smart home devices synced to it. In my case, I am using the Philips Hue light bulb, which came free with it, and I find it better to switch on or off with a simple voice command instead of finding the switchboard in the dark, in case I wake up at night. I found it so pretty useful that I ordered Alexa again, but this time it was Echo. But since I find Echo Plus better due to availability of smart home option, so I had to cancel the order thereafter, and I'm still waiting for Amazon guys to bring up more color choices. Well, don't want my review to be unnecessarily lengthy. It was a gift for my wife and she totally loved, so would rate it 5 stars. You and every member at your home, whether is a child or a senior citizen, would love this piece of tech. You can completely automate your home just by voice commanding, from switching on and off lights and increasing/decreasing its light/changing colors, purchasing external light bulbs. Of course, I am using Cisco Smart Lights, switching on and off devices and almost all equipment, purchasing external. You can make routines to switch on and off lights/devices automatically at specific times during day/night. You can talk, ask, listen and almost do everything with the Alexa virtual assistant. Your children or your parents will not feel lonely when they're alone at the home. Recommended that you are Prime member of Amazon so you can use more service like Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video and many more. Click link in description for more reviews.